and that scarcity mindset to need to grab something that like works every time and that is for sure, to like have to know, well, that whole thing, what is knowing? What is knowing? If you say, I need to know, I need to be sure, well, what does all that mean? Because in that concept in itself, within those words that have, incomplete connotations. In the psychology, everyone's need to be sure, wanting to know, are you wanting to know or are you wanting to be accurate? Because if you're going to be accurate in are you going to be accurate in your understanding, or you're trying to find a point that you could just pick up and carry along with you and have forever and ever? That's not reality. The reality is that we're adding context into our information base, and then that's what we've got. Knowledge is a grayscale. Understanding is a grayscale. It's not a have it or a have not in any certain case. It's a grayscale. And if we look at, that as like classic example of if your glass is half full, I think that, there's a point in any kind of information that we feel that, my glass is more than half full. So I'm starting to get like a holistic understanding of X concept, whatever that is. And then we might look back and say, my glass wasn't really almost full. I just thought it was at the time because we had more context.